I am often asked, do I need a special needs trust and an ABLE account? And the answer I almost always give is yes, you need both of them. If you are the parent of a child with special needs and you want to learn more about special needs planning topics, this is the channel for you. Go ahead and click the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bells button so you can always be notified when we have new videos. Yes, you need both of them. They serve two different purposes. I use my ABLE account to handle the day-to-day expenses that I have, to coordinate birthday gifts and other kinds of small little gifts that come from other people. My son is a little challenging sometimes to buy for because he doesn't really have the language to express what he wants. So it's sort of like hit or miss what he's into, although that's getting better. So we sort of told my brothers and sisters and other people who want to give him gifts to put it into the ABLE account. Now I use the CalABLE account, which is based out of California. One of the cool benefits that they have with the CalABLE account is I'm able to set up annual reminders. So let's say I have my son's birthday is on a certain day. I could have CalABLE send my brother and sister and mom and whoever else wants to make a contribution to my son. It automatically sends them a reminder saying, hey, if you'd like to make a donation to, I don't know if they call it a donation, but if you'd like to make a contribution to my son, here's the link to do it. And they just go into that link, enter their information, and it automatically comes and it gets put into his account. I like that because it gives me the flexibility on how I can use it. With the special needs trust, you sort of have to go to the trustee to ask for reimbursement or to ask to pay for something in advance, and sort of more of a hassle. My son has a first party trust, not a third party trust, so I'm not the trustee on that first party trust. So there's a little bit of more of a, I don't know, hassle, whatever you want to call it, so that to access those funds is a little bit more challenging. But the ABLE account gives me a lot more flexibility, a lot less reporting, and it's just a great tool to use. Now also with the CalABLE account, it gives me a debit card. So I'm able to go use it to pay for things when we're out at the movies, going out golfing or playing whatever we're doing that he wants to do. Then I can use that debit card and it comes directly out of that account and it provides the reporting. So I say you have to have both. And another reason you need to have both is an ABLE account only allows you, this is as 2021 only allows you to have up to $15,000 deposited in any 1 year. So if you get a big lump sum amount, like in the life insurance proceeds, it's most likely going to be more than $15,000. So you cannot put it into an ABLE account. So it has to go into something other than that, which would be the special needs trust. So as a parent, speaking to other parents, I suggest that you get both of them. They serve different purposes. And the most important thing is to get it set up before you pass on, because that way you're taking care of it so the next person doesn't have to deal with it, and explain to them what you're using them for and how you use it. So that's what I would encourage you to do, is to get both an ABLE account and a special needs trust, because they do serve two different purposes. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.